Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm just gonna show you that I finished Nature Tycoon. Now don't look up and see, oh, I'm the only one here, the server must be dumb. No. The creator made it so it's like one person per server. Like, I don't know how many people playing this. So I'm just gonna show you. This took like 5 or 10 minutes for me to finish. You don't need to buy all this stuff. Alright, so this is first. Like normal, let's relax in the forest kind of thing. Yeah. Berry bushes, flowers, climb over at a bridge or leap on the lily pads. You can see there are 2 waterfalls. And here is some pond. But by the way, if you touch a cactus, you'll start to die. Look at my health. All right. Alright, this is the entry to a new one. Get ready. So all this is rocks and penguins. Pretty cute. Penguiny. At Roblox High School, I have a penguin that looks exactly like that. The eyes, the everything. Alright, next. Let's go explore the deep seas. I have some big goldfish. And these fish are actually moving. Same thing on that side. Alright, surprise guys. This is the ending. It cost $30,000. Yeah! So there's no buy anything else. It's just $30,000 and it puts this whole thing. Trees are lag. Benches, like the trash cans, they did a good job. And there's like sparkles everywhere, flowers, big waterfall, and congratulations. I don't know how so it has anything to do with nature. I'm gonna prove to you this is Nature Tycoon. You know how? Nature Tycoon. And see, evidence, 1 player per server. I think I'm gonna go. Yes, alright. So that is what the finished Nature Tycoon looks like. I will see you next time, guys. Bye.